Yeah. It's your boy, Rowan Niger. You're welcome to this video where I'm going to be teaching you how to distribute your track, your music, your instrumental on streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and YouTube Music. So this is how you're going to do it with phone. There's a particular platform I'll be showing you that you can do it to your mobile phone. Like majorly they use mobile phone, they have an app, but other distributing companies I know don't have apps. So that means you always need to use browser. That's kind of stressful. You need doing it on phone. But this particular distributing company or distributor happens to have an app. So it is Amuse. So wait, let me go back so you see the icon here. So here's the app. So they are very good, and one of their uniqueness is the fact that um they have a mobile app. Many distributing companies or distributors don't have app. So let's get into the app. Okay, this is actually my account, one of my artist accounts. What I mean by artist is like uh here this is an artist. It has one track, but you can open an account with Amuse or any other distributor. But you can open different artist accounts under them, like profile. This is my name. This is where I kind of my account, but here is the artist. So in Spotify, what you're going to see is this. You're not going to see this in my name. What you're going to see is what you're going to see in Spotify. Sorry, is let me erase this. Okay. What you're going to see in Spotify is this thing, this name now as profile in Spotify, where this track is going to be released to. YouTube is going to be under this. Apple is going to be released beats. So, but as the owner, this is the name of my as in the account, like the account owner. So under this name, I can open different artists. I can distribute for different other artists. So that's what's called on the name by artist. This thing is something as same Davido, Whiskey, any other artist like that. So you can still distribute through other um, distributors, or let's say distributing companies like Level Music, CD Babe, and DistroKids. So now Amuse has um, two versions. They have the paid one and they have the free one. So the both are good. The free one is good because you can still keep 100% of your royalties earned from your streaming. I mean by like your streams. So when you like, no matter how many streams you have, how much you make, you're keeping 100% of it. So that it is good, but it still has some limitations. One of the limitations is that it takes time for your track to get to stores. As you're going to be distributing a track today, it's it's going to take few days, I think a week, because I'm using the pro version. But if you're using the free, it's going to take longer, like around a month, maybe 3 weeks or thereabouts. I don't know because I now use it. So, and again, you cannot open have many artists. I think it's only one and the highest two, but here you have unlimited. You can open as many and distribute as many as you want. So and the price just I think 20 I be $19 per year. So it's good for the pro version, but the free is free, and it's only just the stress of waiting and also being limited to maybe one artist or two. And then too, the stores that you take your tracks to, you're limited to, I think only Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music, and a few other ones that are known. But other ones, there are many other streaming platforms that you need as an artist, you need your tracks to be. So for someone who just wants to make money from using instrumentals, want to do the Spotify method, and doesn't have money or don't think he wants to invest in the Amuse Pro and wants to distribute free, maybe use the money to buy streams instead, then using Amuse Free is okay. Or then if you have the money, you can spare and just buy a professional so that you can be able to open different artist accounts and enjoy the whole thing. So it's good. So we're just going to go into it. So it's good to use the pro. The pro is like it's okay. You are not limited to anything. You can distribute as many albums and open different artists, distribute to stores unlimited. So let's get into it. So to distribute your track, you just have to come here, click on this plus sign, click on new release. So here you have to upload your cover art first. And there's one thing with this cover art that it has kind of rules. Have kind of rules. So whereby you don't put logo on your artwork, like icons or logo or anything. They will not accept it in the stores. They are very strict with these things. And you don't write any other thing apart from the name of the artist and the release title. If not, they will come to get it to just the thing, everything written on that you need to rhyme with whatever your information you're giving them here. So if it doesn't rhyme, they're going to reject it. So the best practice is just to maybe use a picture, or if you do any artwork, any design, it's fine, but then make it clear and then just write the artist name and the release name. Simple. Don't write any other thing. Don't put any logo. Don't put any Instagram, Facebook, anything icon for handles. No. After release, you can do those ones for promotion, but for releasing your distance, just make it plain and simple. Just the artist name, if possible. Just do it like I did my hair. Let me go back like this. It's just empty like this. Nothing. They are going to accept it. So now let's get into it. Choose the image you want to. Looking for Pixel Lab. So here it is. So here you follow these things. Then, is there any text in your artwork that matches artist name or release title? You choose this first one because it's just the artist name and the release title you have. You can confirm. Are there any visible logos in your artwork? So these things you select them, but it's not necessary. Just best to leave it. There are no logos, not even on background. You click that. Parts of this artwork blurry, or just choose this first one and it's clear. If it's not, they'll still reject it. Now you come and change it. So it's uploading. While you're uploading, try to the release title, which is why is WhatsApp disturbing me? That is it. Is there any way I can stop this WhatsApp notification? So you choose the release language. Is it only English that has wow. Okay. Now let's click here and upload the track. So set from list. This is the track title. So you just leave it as set from release title version. Since it's optional and it's really not necessary, just leave it there. The artist is already there. So if unless you want to add another person, you want to share the right to it. So let's upload the file. Okay, let's choose the file. I think it's here. Music. So this is the file we're looking for. And please mind you, this the stores this accept a particular extension, not MP3. So since you are uploading this thing, you kind of say, okay, let me use MP3 since it's audio. No, they accept a special extension called Wave, WAV. So you can there are a lot of apps online that can convert any MP3 to Wave. So or you can tell your producer to change it to Wave. And if you are doing maybe beat instrumentals with your app like I do, you can use any app online or software in your PC to convert it. So it's now let's continue. Just click on it. Yes. So it will be uploading. Where is uploading? Let's add all these things. Does this track contain any singing, rapping, or any vocals? No, since it's instrumental. Explicit content. Clean. So explicit content, just say not explicit. This track does not include fancy or offensive language. Just click this one. Recording year 2021. So you do the option now. If this track has been uploaded somewhere else, that's where you now start looking for this ISRC something. So here it's no. So here you choose original. This is not much, but you don't set it up. I think it's something about TikTok. I've not really taken time to check, so it's okay. So you need to set this monetize content ID. This is when someone else uses your track on YouTube, maybe to do any video or something. It's kind of take it's like they'll be ad there or they'll strike it, but they'll not remove the video. What they'll now do, they'll start displaying adverts with that video. So if you have any writer here, what you normally do is just since it's required, because it's required, you have to put something. So just choose anything, write your name there or anything. You can say reward, maybe Niger. So, but I normally just write my name, which is reward. Just okay. You can write anything you want. Okay. So contributors, if you have contributors, you add not add anything. So it has been uploaded and we have added all this. So I think it's good to go. You click here and then you continue. If you have label, let's put journal first. Let's choose rap. I think we put as topic. I think rap is okay. Okay. Because rap is okay. So I really forgot to make this label is necessary. So let's click on it and see what happens. Okay, thanks. You not ask for it, it's okay. So you are done. So this total split means that everything the result is good to you. If you have someone else, maybe that let's say you want to share the earning from this particular track, maybe someone you featured someone and both of you collab to do the something, and you want like share the money directly, like this people will be the one sharing the money for you, maybe 50%. You can set the percentage. You can say that 160, 30, anyhow you can set it here, everything, so that it will be going directly, like the person will be like you have the money and not pay you. No, it will be going directly to each other, to every person. So once the money comes in from these streaming stores, I'll make a video to explain how they pay the royalties and how long they take to pay the royalties. But this total split means that it goes to either one person, and here is going to only me. But if there's on that person, I can now add the person here and set how I want it to be. So the person will receive it as once I receive my own. Nobody has to pay anybody else again. Just everything will be going directly to the person. Like this company will use their hand to do the splitting for you. And I think this split is not available for those using free. It's only available for the premium. And yes, it's only available for the premium. And the person also that you are going to invite needs to be a premium user too. So that's one of the things that's limitations of using free version. So since I'm using pro version, I can do this with someone else. But for now, I'm enjoying it alone. I'm going to enjoy it alone. I'm going to work everything alone. So that's just simple. It's just say since they're not on just click this big T, this tick here. So these are the stores. So you can choose the stores. Like this is everything they are going to be added, but this is limited for free users. I don't even know where it stops. I think it's this first line. This first line now. I think is where it stopped. But from these audio registries down, I think it's not there. So that is the thing. Instagram, you can see your music or your Instagram. So all these things, it's okay. You selected all. If you want to choose some, you choose. If you want to remove some, like if I want to remove it from Amazon, I just remove it, but it's okay leaving it there. So you click on okay. So check countries that you don't want us to deliver to. These are countries where you don't want your track to get to. So these are the available continents. So now it's up to you to choose maybe under them, maybe countries you don't want to. But for me, I'm fine with every country. So just leave it like that. So here is on that thing. Look at this date. Friday, 10th September. Today is what? Today is 15th. So imagine 10th of next month. It's almost a month. It's from 15th to 10th of next month. This is August. So it's almost a month. So with that, imagine. So with being a pro version, you can edit this. You can use this thing called fast learn. This thing now. This thing called fast learn. What am I doing here? This thing now. You can use it. It's going to reduce the distance or the duration of maybe releasing your track. So if your track are going to be released, it's going to take almost a month. But with this fast learn, look at pro users can set their song live in 10 days. The earlier fast learn date is 24th August. You can get your song live on music services within 21 days. The earliest date is 0 September 4th. So you can choose. This is a proposed release date, subject to change pending any issues. What they mean by if they have any issue with your cover art, it maybe your name with another person or something like that, they still pause the release and then send you an email. You come and edit and make the changes necessary. So they'll have to be doing those things. And those that thing can delay the release date, because if they pause and we come back and do the changes, the date might change. So that's it. So just click on this fast learn so that you can see it has changed. So I cannot choose 24th August. So from 15th August to 24th, that's only 10 days. So let me count it, check. So it's 10 days. So with that, your track will be fast. But if you're not a pro user, you not have access to this. So you have to wait that long before your track will get to the store. So just click OK. So has this track been released before? Just choose no. So you're good to go. Just click on release. So let me capture this. Okay. I do always do this for some reason. So you just click on release. Earliest release date possible is 24th. That's the release date. Showing error. Sorry, but let's check. Is what we choose. What is the problem? I don't know what's the issue here. Well, I'll figure it out. Please WhatsApp notifications killing me. Let's change it to 25 and see how it goes. Okay. So what I understood that happens is that normally they are going to like shift these dates a little bit. You understand? They're going to like shift it a little bit. If you look at still 10 days, it's still going to be that 24th. Is the earliest date, the only date they can be very fast. So you need to have a kind of a little space of maybe one day. It's still going to be everything is going to be on that 24th. So also the 25th. But they just kind of wanted to extend it a little bit. That 24th now. That 24th is going to be live on stores. But it will be on that 25th that you're going to get your link and everything. So that's why they want you to extend it a little bit. That was right, because that 24th is just the last. So if you take that 24, it's going to be a little bit difficult for them. So 25 is okay. It's just 10 days, so it's fine. So there's the advantages of using a pro version and also using Amuse. Amuse, they are very good. They pay the royalties complete. Was calling to get them, this streaming something happens, something like you don't know actually what you get from the store. It's like from the distributors to give us whatever they get. So that's just it. My next video, I'll teach you about Spotify method, how you can boost your streams. It's not like boosting, this is buying real premium streams, like they are being streamed by premium accounts from good countries like this, and they pay well. So that you can make money from your tracks, your instrumentals. It's a game, it's a waiting game, it's something that you have to understand. It's kind of investment, a long-term investment. If you understand it, then it makes sense. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up the notification bell so you can get notified of every video we make. And you can still visit our website at www.rewardniger.com, and you can check out our services and other of our instrumentals and stream. And you can still send us message, connect with us through our social media handles, and you can have a chat. Yeah. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video once again. Please stick around for my next videos, and if I'll be doing some giveaways, streams, airtime, and cash. So with that, say bye bye to you next time. Thank you.